All right, I just received these solar water drift lamps. They look awesome. Let's open up the box and check them out. All right, so here we are. This is the instruction manual. We'll need to read that. And these are the lights. Let's take a look at them. Oh, look at this. Wow. Is that cool? Look, they've got a solar panel in them. And apparently you just stick them in the pool and they drift. And I think we just press this button. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? Wow. There it is. That's the solar powered drift lamp. But it needs to get sun on it, so we'll have to sun them up. See the solar panel on top? And we get 4 of them in here. So let's go ahead and get them all out. And then we'll put them in the pool and see what we think. I think it's best to put them at night, get them all charged up, and then bam. Wow, they're really cool. Let's go ahead and turn them all on. Oh, they go off really quick. They don't stay on very long. They don't have a lot of charge on them. You see what I mean? But anyway, that's what they look like. All right, so I set them outside here, and we're gonna let these charge up, and then we'll put them in the pool later on tonight. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I put these in the pool. Peace out.